Hello there, welcome to Ataik Farming in the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ding-a-ling-ding-dong the bell. It's Friday morning, one man on site today, Ramel again. Wind called in earlier on, he's on his way back down the hospital taking bits and pieces for her. The hoping she'll be out today, which she will be if they get the paperwork done. So Jean's niece is going to Danao and another cousin is meeting her there to register the baby and do the paperwork for Phil Health. Until they get that paperwork done, they won't let her out. That's how it works here. You can't get out of hospital until you paid the bill, or Phil Health pays the bill, and they won't let you go until it's all done. So Win will probably be in work tomorrow. Maybe he won't, but probably will. So we'll do some more odd jobs. We've just uploaded yesterday's video. We forgot to do it last night. The shop was quieter yesterday, so we thought, but yesterday evening Jean was selling in the shop till near enough 10 o'clock, so we're a bit stretched for time, etc. We need to do something about that to get some help in the shop. Full-time help, because when Jean's flat out like that, I have to do more, etc. And we're burning the candle at both ends, sort of thing. So as usual, I'll make a couple of videos throughout the day and we'll get back to you shortly. Back again. We've sorted the pigs out this morning, cleaned them, fed them. But when we were pressure washing down, when the pressure pump comes on, the pressure hose is up and down like that under the pressure of the water. And unfortunately it was rubbing along the side of the concrete header tank. So with water spraying everywhere, it wore a little hole in it. And so we got that repaired, which surprised me a little bit, because I had a fitting. Now the fittings on high pressure hoses are crimped on, and I don't have that sort of fitting, and I don't have a crimping tool. So we fitted it, Ramel fitted it, we tie wired it on, and it's working just fine. Hopefully it'll keep on working. The other thing what's happening now, and we're waiting, I don't know what time they'll be here, the guys doing the bore are on the way. They've left the city and they're bringing the drilling rig up, which from what I understand is quite a big one. So we'll wait the arrival of that. That'll be interesting. We'll have a look and see what it's like. I don't think they'll be starting to drill today, but they'll be setting it up ready to drill probably tomorrow. So I'll get back to you later. 11:30. I've just been down Danao again for the truck registration. It's offline, so I haven't got it, but I got my driving license eventually, the Filipino one. But the truck's in with the drilling rig, so we'll go down and have a look, see what they're doing. So the pipe works on the, and I guess that's a drilling rig. and the electric motor. So yeah, nothing offloaded yet. Nice coloured truck, mind. So I'll make another video later on when something starts to get together. So now we have a pig feed delivery. They can't get the truck in because the truck down here blocking it. So they're outside the gate and they're carrying right down the bottom. 2 bags at a time. Oh, these have got 1 bag at a time, there's more sense, I think. So we're starting to unpack the truck. And it's coming round here. And that piece of VO bar is where they're going to sink the well. That's in the middle of the deepest point, which shows up on the map if you've seen it as a sinkhole, but it's probably a channel running that way. But anyway, that's where the pin pointed and that's where it's going in. Now I recognise that pipe with threads on the top to join together. So it is going to be a rotary drill as opposed to the last one, which was up and down pounding and just the water taking the spoil away. Pounding by hand, up and down, up and down. So this should be much quicker. I doubt they'll be drilling today, but I would have thought 60 metres with a rotary drill would be a day's work, but maybe not. We'll wait and see. So I'll leave it there and do another video shortly. 5 o'clock, so we'll make a concluding video. I'll go down the piggery and feed the pigs. The drilling crew is still down there. I'll show you the drilling rig and what they've got set up. I don't suppose they'll leave until they're finished setting up, and they'll let us know when they'll be back to start drilling, I assume. But we're all washed out. Ramu washed out for me. And I got him to put a bigger hole in each trough so we can wash the troughs out more easily and more often. But I don't like the idea of feed being mixed up with pig muck. So we'll have a look at the drilling rig. Oh, we've got a shade cloth up as well. All organised. So that's the rig. And that's where they're actually going to be drilling. So they've put a cement surround in it. And the drill bit down there. So it's a brand new piece of equipment is built. We've got an electric motor on the back and a petrol motor up top. So it'd be interesting to see how it works. So I'll feed the pigs and I'll make another little video later. So that's the pigs fed. So I'm finished for the day. pigs are quiet because they're eating. Yeah, they're all good. So we'll leave this video there and we'll do another one tomorrow.